Hello friends, please subscribe the channel for more videos on NCERT RIE entrance exam. In this video we will discuss about teaching aptitude of question paper of 2017. For communicating a hearing challenged child, a teacher has to use more of non-verbal gestures. Which of the following pairs should have a very close rapport in school system? Teacher student. एक प्रदर्शनी की व्यवस्था करने के लिए आपकी अध्यापिका कक्षा के विद्यार्थियों को समूह में बांट देती है। प्रत्येक समूह से एक विद्यार्थी को समूह नायक बनने के लिए स्वेच्छा से आगे आने के लिए कहती है। तो उस स्थिति में आप क्या करोगे? नायक बनने के लिए स्वेच्छा से आगे आऊँगा। आपकी कक्षा में कम उपस्थिति की एक छात्रा है जो अपने अध्ययन में अतिरिक्त सहायता चाहती है। एक अध्यापक अध्यापिका होने के नाते आप क्या करेंगे? उस तरीके से पढ़ाऊँगा जिससे आसानी से समझ सकें। ये बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है, लेकिन आप फिर भी रिवाइज कर लीजिए। जितनी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतनी ही ज़्यादा मार्क्स स्कोर करेंगे आप। एक अध्यापिका प्रभावी अध्यापिका तब बनेगी जब वह विषय वस्तु पर अच्छा अधिकार रखेगी, इफ़ेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स होंगी उसमें, एबिलिटी टू यूज़ अप्रोप्रिएट टीचिंग मेथड्स। देन द आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव। टीम क्रीड़ा में भाग लेने से कौन सा विकास संभव है? इमोशनल बिहेवियर, सोशल बिहेवियर, फिजिकल एडजस्टमेंट, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। नीता अपनी कक्षा की सहेलियों के साथ अपनी समस्याओं को कहती है, तो नीता में है गुड सोशल एडजस्टमेंट। अंतर्वैयक्तिक कौशल ज़्यादा उपयोगी है। इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स आर बेस्ट यूज्ड व्हेन स्टूडेंट्स विद डिफरेंट एबिलिटी वर्क टुगेदर ऑन ए प्रोजेक्ट। The main current problem in Indian rural schools for facing global competition is lack of motivation of the students. The purpose of uniform in schools is to promote feeling of equality. NCERT stands for National Council of Education Research and Training. Basic education was Mahatma Gandhi. This is wrong. Take already in this video. This was Mahatma Gandhi. The main characteristics of educational practice today is knowledge center. Which characteristics of a child should a teacher encourage most of for his intellectual development? Curiosity. Which method of teaching is best suited for a very young children? Play with teaching. खेल खेल में पढ़ना. A human teacher should necessarily have, I do not know, I think compassion. Inclusive education is associated with all of subject in curriculum. If a child is comfortable writing with his left hand, he should be encouraged to write with. No, this is wrong. इसके लिए शायद अपने बाएं हाथ का उपयोग करने के लिए अनुमति देना। if he is comfortable with that hand, he should be encouraged to use his comfortable hand. 39th question. In majority of cases, students do not like a teacher because the teacher is unfair to students and display favoritism. For beginning teacher, which of the following is most important? Subject knowledge, understanding the student is the most important. Student behavior in classroom. RTE was enacted in, it was 2005. You may Google it. It may wrong. I don't know. If you students in your class are not able to follow your teaching, what will you do? Analyze the reason for it. Socialization of child beginning at from kindergarten. In Indian Constitution, education is a समवर्ती सूची. स्टेट लिस्ट में थी पहले, अब समवर्ती सूची में. आई डोंट नो. यू मे चेक बिकॉज आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ साइंस, नॉट पॉलिटिकल साइंस. The main purpose of using concrete object in teaching is to arouse interest in learning. To be a successful in class, the teacher should know all of the above: science of behavior, subject matter and method of teaching, the personality of pupils. If a student asks you something in the class and you do not know the answer, what will you do? Tell that you will find out and tell him next day. Which one of the following should a teacher practice to eliminate common classroom misbehaviors without affecting the flow of lesson? Imposing the confine, no. I think this is right, but I am not confirmed, so you may check.
Good morning, good evening.
Next question. Which of the following practices of teacher does not encourage student to be creative? समस्या समाधान विचित्र. I do not know about it. Please check. All of the above is my answer. Women development is affected by heredity, socio-environment, status of child. Then, thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe the channel.